Hey Fragrance fam, are you new here to the AFI Project Lab? Well, if you are, my name is Katie and today I'll be showing y'all how to make your very own custom laundry detergent tabs. This is an easy and cost-effective recipe that will make doing your laundry your new favorite chore. Our RainForest Hibiscus fragrance oil is perfect scent for this project, so be sure to pick out your free sample over on our web store after you watch this video. But before all of that, here's how you make them. These detergent tabs are a lot like bath bombs. The recipe includes both solid and liquid ingredients that come together and make solid tabs that fizz and dissolve in the presence of water. To start, strain the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl to break up any clumps. First up is some sodium carbonate. It's a little different than baking soda, otherwise known as sodium bicarbonate. Washing soda is great at removing grease and dirt buildup on clothes. Up next is some sodium citrate. I like to use this in detergent recipes because it's great at getting you softer, cleaner clothes. And finally, the last dry ingredient is some citric acid. This will create a fizzy reaction and lift stains from the clothes. Make sure all the clumps are broken up and whisk everything together. The better they're mixed, the better your detergent will work. Now we can get the wet ingredients mixed up. You only need 2 ingredients for this step. First, you'll need a surfactant that's ideal for use in laundry. For that, I picked out TEA lauryl sulfate. It has a nice foaming property and gets the job done when it comes to stain removal. Not to mention, it's often derived from plants. So if you're looking for a cleaner formula to stay in line with your brand image, this is a great option to choose. I've got it all measured out in a beaker and it's ready to go. Now on to the fragrance oil. My choice for today is our very own RainForest Hibiscus. I think this is a perfect pick for laundry and other home care products. It's floral without being too powdery and makes things smell clean and refreshing. You only need a little bit to get fresh smelling laundry, so I'm sticking with a 2% concentration. Mix it in with the TEA lauryl sulfate. You'll notice that it thickens up into an opaque viscous gel. This texture will really help the detergent tabs stick together. With it all mixed up, spoon it into your bowl with dry ingredients and grab some gloves to work it in. After plenty of kneading, it should feel like a thick, squishy mixture that feels like wet sand. See how it clumps up in my hand? This is the texture that you'll need to get it molded. And speaking of molding, a large silicone ice cube tray like this one works well. Each mold cavity will make a tab that's about 1 ounce, which is a good size for a regular load of laundry. Pack the wet mixture into each cavity. It's okay if they don't look perfect. Once all the mixture has been used, set the tabs into a cool, dry place to firm up a bit. Over the next day or so, the powder ingredients will absorb their surfactant and the fragrance so they stay together in one little solid tab. When they're firm to the touch and no longer sticky, you can gently pop them out of the mold. Here's my detergent tabs. They look simple, but they pack a powerful punch. Not to mention, they're super cost effective to make, smell great, and reduce the need for plastic packaging. To give them the added touch of luxury to their otherwise plain appearance, I like to package them up with a nice glass jar with a custom label. And that wraps things up for today. To use a solid laundry detergent tab, just place one in the laundry detergent slot in your washer for every normal load of laundry you do. When you run the washer, the tab will fizz away and produce tons of foam. After your cycle, your clothes will come out squeaky clean with no residue. Whether you want to use it in your own home or add it to your product line, I recommend you try this recipe out. Please comment down below if you do, and let me know if you have any questions regarding homemade laundry detergent or anything related to fragrance. If you haven't already, head on over to our web store linked in the description to sign up to our newsletter and be the first to know whenever we drop our exclusive 10% off coupon every week. Check out our RainForest Hibiscus and thousands more for all of your product needs. Leave a like and subscribe to become a member of our fragrance fam, and I'll catch y'all again in the next one. I'm Katie and I'll see y'all later. Bye!